Let's go for a little walk. This is so much fun! Let's pour some water over there.
Wow!
Now I'll head to another spot.
Some time later.
I need some water. What? I can give you some water. Bring something to hold the water. I have this bucket. Thank you so much. It's time to go, Mr. Bison. Let's clean the dirt off you. I need some help, big guy.
Yes, indeed. Thank you so much.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Oh no! Who the heck stole my food?
Hey!
Ernie, you've been sneaking into my acacia grove and munching on my leaves, haven't ya?
Oh no!
What? Man, I don't need your measly little leaves. I got a whole buffet of my own.
Oh yeah? Then how do you explain these half-eaten leaves all over my grove?
Greg, come on. That's got to be Rico's doing.
I don't trust you, Ernie.
What?
Hey buddy, they're going at it. This is about to be hilarious. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, this is gonna be entertaining.
What?
Ha ha ha, this is getting good.
These two are bickering over some leaves. Guess I'll swipe a few more while they're distracted.
Yeah, ha ha ha. Keep the drama rolling, boys.
See, Greg? I told you it wasn't me. It was Rico all along.
Ah man, it's wrapping up already? Kinda bummed now.
Rico, how dare you swipe my leaves?
Hey, don't blame me just 'cause you two are so easy to fool.
You little punk. You had me and Greg fighting for nothing. I ain't letting this slide.
Whoa, whoa, my bad. Chill out, guys.
Ernie, I'm sorry, man. I should have trusted you.
No hard feelings, buddy. Next time, let's talk it out before we throw down.
Hey, smash that like button.
Yo, where's the dog, fellas? We're getting late.
Hey, smash that like button. Morning, fellas.
Hey, chicks, where's the dog? We're running late.
Okay, wait, I'll call him. Hey, dog. Hey, wake up. Wake up, wake up. You're still sleeping?
Oh, so sorry, guys.
Please like our videos, thanks. Oh no! Bonk.
Hey, Gorilla! Gorilla!
Hey, what's up, doggy?
Killer spiders are attacking us. Please hurry.
Oh Oh, wait, I'll be back.
Thanks, Gorilla. You saved us.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Beautiful day today. Let's go check out the lemon farm.
I'm so hungry, I can't find anything to eat.
Hey, smash that like button.
Oh no!
Never come back here again, you hear me?
Please like our videos, thanks.
Lucky I found food, but there is this gorilla's hurdle. Let's see what this gorilla's doing. Ha 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 ha, this is a good chance.
Hey kid, what's happening in our farm?
A giant cat is roaming around the farm and everyone is scared.
Okay kid, I'll handle it. Oof. Oof. Now I have to find this cat.
What?
Hey cat, what happened? How did you become so giant?
I became like this after eating the lemons in your farm.
Okay, wait. I have an anecdote.
Please like our videos, thanks.
Please like and subscribe.
Hey doggy, keep an eye on the ship.
Okay, Captain.
Hey!
Bonk.
Don't ever come back here, you hear me?
Give us a thumbs up.
Hey, monkey, distract him somehow. I will snatch the fishes. What? Bear, please save me! Hey, doggy, look here, Bone. What?
Please like our videos, thanks.
Hey, smash that like button.
Hey, Uncle Mammoth, want to go for a stroll?
What?
What's up, kid? What happened?
That guy over there is hurt bad. Can we help him?
Yeah, sure, kid.
Thanks, guys. You saved my life.
Cool. Take it easy, King.
If you need anything, just holler.
Guys, let's get some food. Attack that baby elephant.
Hey, what happened? What's going on? The mammoth is attacking us. Let's move out.
Hey, kid, I'm going to the lake for a drink.
Thanks, Mr. Lion. No problem. You saved me, so now it's payback time.